Hey guys, welcome to my in-depth review of The Home Doctor, Practical Medicine for Every Household. Is The Home Doctor the ultimate survival guide for every household? Let's find out. Before diving into the product, one interesting thing. Stay tuned till the end to get two additional gifts along with this product. And one big alert, if you want to purchase this product, make sure to buy it from the official website link in the description. The Home Doctor is a 304-page guide written by Dr. Mabel Neves, Dr. Rodrigo Alterio, and Claude Davis. It promises to equip you with essential medical knowledge to handle emergencies and day-to-day health issues when professional help isn't available. This book isn't just about treating minor cuts and scrapes, it's a comprehensive resource for serious medical situations. Dr. Mabel is the head surgeon of the unit of breast pathology at Caracas University Hospital in Venezuela. With over 10 years of experience, she developed innovative medical methods during Venezuela's crisis, making her insights invaluable. During the economic collapse, she had to find creative solutions to medical shortages, which led her to develop practical and effective treatments with limited resources. Her unique perspective on handling medical emergencies in resource-limited settings is a core strength of this book. Dr. Rodrigo brings extensive medical expertise, complementing Dr. Mabel's practical knowledge. His background in various medical fields, including emergency medicine, allows the book to cover a wide range of medical conditions and treatments comprehensively. His contributions ensure that the guide is not only practical but also medically sound, providing reliable information for handling health crises. Known for his survivalist knowledge, Claude adds a practical perspective to the book. His expertise in survival skills is designed to work hand in hand with the medical advice, making this guide comprehensive for both health and survival. His focus on natural remedies and sustainable living adds a valuable dimension to the book. Medical supplies. The book lists 10 crucial medical supplies, like naproxen, that are affordable and essential for any emergency. With supply chains vulnerable, having these items at home is critical. For example, naproxen is a non-prescription anti-inflammatory drug that can help manage pain and inflammation. Other supplies include basic items like antiseptics, bandages, and thermometers, as well as more specialized items like a blood pressure monitor and a pulse oximeter. The guide provides detailed instructions on how to use each item effectively. Recognizing and managing emergencies. Detailed guides on recognizing heart attacks, strokes, and how to handle them before professional help arrives are life-saving. For instance, the heart attack section teaches you to look for symptoms like chest discomfort and shortness of breath. Immediate steps such as chewing aspirin can make a significant difference. The book also covers other emergencies like severe allergic reactions, choking, and seizures, providing step-by-step instructions on what to do in each situation. Expired medications. One of the most eye-opening sections is on the use of expired medications. Dr. Mabel explains which medications remain effective past their expiration dates and which do not, based on first-hand experience in Venezuela. This information is crucial during supply shortages. For example, certain antibiotics can still be effective after their expiration date, while others may lose potency or become harmful. The guide helps you identify which medications you can safely use and how to store them properly to extend their shelf life. Natural remedies and DIY solutions. The book is filled with practical, natural solutions. From creating DIY antibiotic salves to using natural painkillers found in your backyard, there's a wealth of knowledge. For instance, it highlights a pain-killing plant that grows all over North America, which was a go-to remedy in Venezuela. The guide also includes recipes for natural treatments like herbal teas, tinctures, and poultices, along with detailed instructions on how to prepare and use them effectively. You'll learn how to create an antibiotic ointment using ingredients you can find in your kitchen and garden, providing you with sustainable options for treating infections. The book advising avoid common issues like allergies and weight gain that can be triggered by the wrong probiotics. It explains the benefits of different strains of probiotics and how to incorporate them into your diet through foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables. The guide also covers the importance of prebiotics, which are foods that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. By following these recommendations, you can improve your digestive health and overall well being. First Aid for Common Injuries. The book provides detailed instructions on how to handle common injuries such as cuts, burns, and fractures. For example, it explains how to properly clean and dress a wound to prevent infection, how to treat different degrees of burns, and how to immobilize a fracture until you can get professional help. It also covers the basics of CPR and the Heimlich maneuver, making it a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their first aid skills. Mental health and stress management. Recognizing that health isn't just physical, the home doctor also addresses mental health. It offers strategies for managing stress, anxiety, and depression, particularly in crisis situations. The book includes techniques for mindfulness and relaxation, as well as advice on creating a supportive environment for yourself and your loved ones. These sections are crucial for maintaining mental well-being during challenging times. Nutrition and hydration. Proper nutrition and hydration are key to staying healthy, especially during emergencies. The book provides guidelines on maintaining a balanced diet with limited resources, including tips on food storage and preservation. It also explains how to purify water and create oral rehydration solutions to prevent dehydration, a common issue in disaster situations. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that you and your family stay nourished and hydrated even when resources are scarce. Prevention is better than cure, and this book emphasizes the importance of hygiene and preventive measures to avoid illness. It includes tips on proper hand washing, sanitizing surfaces, and maintaining personal hygiene when access to running water is limited. The guide also covers how to create a clean and safe environment in